Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be logging to Yahoo Mail account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Yahoo Mail account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address yahoo.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Yahoo. Now in order to log into your mail account of Yahoo, at the top right corner of this page you can see, guys, there is the mail icon available for us. Click on that mail, and then a login page to your Yahoo account will open, where you'll be required to enter your username or your email address or the mobile number of your Yahoo account. But if you've forgotten it, guys, you will always be able to retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot username. And after entering your email address, guys, click on the next over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your Yahoo account, and then you'll be logged into your Yahoo account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.